Wow.
The build.
The build.
I drink milk.
Okay. Still a hard body today. Gotta start cleaning some stuff out of the garage where the FC's at. And got a bunch of big dirty shit I don't want to throw in the back of any of my cars, even if it would fit. But there will be a special guest coming through later. Someone who has not made an appearance on the channel in a while. So, local car feller and all-around motor whisperer Johnny stopped by to look over my car. He stopped by a couple times, but basically, long story short, kind of figured, well, it runs, it'll stay on as long as you give it gas, but it doesn't hold an idle. So, and when it does stall out, it was flooding, so I took the injectors over to be cleaned earlier this week, and that's this right here. But you'll notice, while they do look nice and sparkly clean, they do not have the lower injector seals because the guys who cleaned them forgot to give it back. So I ordered the parts. It should be here in a couple of days, but I really wanted to get this thing running this weekend, but guess it's just not gonna happen. Okay, so I did three things really. Got the injectors cleaned. I found, you'll see right here, there's like a vacuum nipple on the lower intake manifold that was open. So that's capped now. And I also cleaned the motor ground. When I painted this motor, when I clear coated the housings, I did not mask these. So cleaned it up with sandpaper. Should be getting a much better connection now. So hopefully between those three things, it should be able to at least hold an idle, and then I can get the timing sorted from there. And after that, it should be good to drive back. It's always a good sign when your rain jacket soaks through. This is just miserable. Oh, we have something bubbly and round. Oh, there's a fella inside of there. Yo! What up?
What's up? Check out the new key tag.
Yo!
Fire,
That's pretty fire. It's got the pretty wheels on it now.
Oh yeah. The little rain wash, you know?
Yeah, that's the best kind of wash.
Wow. Have
Yeah.
not seen this John in like a year.
Yeah, well, it has just kind of been sitting here.
No, yeah. It was crazy.
Yeah, but I started dressing everything back up. So, I gotta wait to put the motor back together. Well, at least all the intake and stuff, because these guys, I got them cleaned a couple days ago.
Oh God. Are they clean?
They are clean. They are hella clean.
Dang.
Only problem is the lower injector seal is not there. They didn't put them back on.
I got you.
Side project. First milk bike member.
Oh shit. Oh, we gotta get the whole crew. Gotta get a little motorcycle gang.
Yeah.
Get jackets.
Yo, jackets. Yo, Tokyo Revengers.
Oh.
Look at that fucking thing. It's all together now.
Yeah.
This needs an alternator.
It's just missing an alternator. It was supposed to come today, but now this is coming tomorrow.
Fucked up?
Yeah, fucked up. I'll be here anyway. No big deal. But yeah, tightening it up, putting the pretty parts on.
The bumper. The lights.
Doesn't it look like a Mad Max mobile anymore?
Mm-hmm. And I'm putting a wing on my car after I got my oil cooler installed. That'll be for a later video. Fucking SR20s. Junk. Yeah, fuck it. That'll work.
The most stressful part of any spoiler install.
I'm not stressed. I don't really care. That's why I bought this car.
That's true.
Fucking like, I literally bought this car to fucking drill holes in it and cut it up. Because I had one that was too nice and I didn't want to do that to it.
Yeah, that one that's... Hello, stand up. That one that's too nice.
This one was too nice. Someone else owns it now. Someone who
Yeah.
actually is taking very good care of it, so I really am happy with that. Fucking riv nutting a spoiler? I don't know if that's right, but
I'm sure that's fine.
where's the
I mean,
other bit? I feel like I'm missing one.
not in your pocket, is it?
No, I don't put bits in my pocket.
I would.
Please. Be big enough. That's the. Oh, why do I care?
Oh, you scratched it. Oh no.
Oh no.
Minty.
Don't say that. Not yet. This rear bumper's fucked. I don't really care if I scratch it a little.
Yeah, it's fine. That's just like all Nissan bumpers, it seems.
Fucking push
They
it.
all fucked. All Nissans.
Yeah. It's fucking Bondo over it.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
That shit's working. That's fucked. This hole is fucked. Alright. That looks like hell.
Big things coming.
Big things coming. The build.
Big things coming. Oh, look at this build, yo.
Look at
Wow.
the build.
The build. So clean. Mint, dude.
I'm gonna get bullied for this. This is really bad.
Well, more motivation to get the proper hardware quicker, I guess.
Yeah, I guess. I don't even know if I'm gonna do that to that. I think I'm just
I
gonna.
mean, you still got a fucking Bondo and then paint it, right?
Yeah, fuck this. This is temporary.
Yeah.
I did it. There's a wing on my car.
Hey,
How long is that? Fucking literally 30
well,
minutes.
I'll take your word for it.
I don't know why I did that.
Pop, 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 pop. Alrighty. So, got a couple things lined up for today. Mostly oil changes, boring stuff. But the not so boring thing is I might be taking this for its first drive today. Just want to change the oil because of the number of times that I've flooded it. You know, probably diluted the oil a bit. Did have it running good for about 10 minutes when Johnny stopped by to help. So I'm gonna change the oil, inspect it, make sure there's nothing sus going on, and then yeah, start it up, warm it up, leave the coolant, take it for a loop around the block just to make sure I didn't forget anything, forget to tighten anything, you know, bring it back in here, put it up on ramps, or jack it up on ramps, because these things slide like no fucking other. And make sure I don't get any leaks, make sure everything is good to go. Well, I do know I have one leak on the transmission. I think it's probably around the tail, well, not the tail shaft, like the shifter area. There's like a little inspection plate I also didn't seal up when I did the transmission because I'm lazy and now I'm paying for it. Even just a quick sniff test of the drain plug, you can tell there's lots of gas in there. It just smells like straight gas. I got bananas on. still get kinda weird about recording with neighbors and everything, but let's do it. Still got a pump. Don't know why, but it seems to do it. Oh. Don't make any sense. It's kind of running like shit, and it's puffing a lot of smoke. I do know I reused all the old exhaust gaskets, so definitely have some exhaust leaks. So it definitely doesn't run well enough to be on any open roads. But I'm gonna see if it'll move under its own power from there to here.